At Conduit, we are not a vendor. We are not a platform. We are a true digital performance partner. And this is how we separate ourselves from the rest. By offering an entire suite of services allows you to build awareness, drive consideration, and then drive that intent at the bottom of the funnel or throughout the customer journey. Having a holistic suite of services is one thing, but the expertise of the ad operations team is a gigantic differentiator. As we know right now, hiring the right talent to be able to execute at the highest level for your campaigns has always been a challenge. You train them up and maybe they're out the door taking a better offer to a different agency. Having certified experts in their particular platform or service offering allows for you to compete at any level for each of your clients. By establishing a white label partnership, you're able to scale predictably because now you can bring your workload to a team on an as-needed basis. The true white label partnership comes down to performance and communication. Our agencies don't want piecemeal communication. They want to have holistic data, holistic communication, holistic details provided to them in a holistic nature that is communicated proactively to them so that they can bring to their end clients and be able to have the right information when they need it, as they need it. As agency leaders, we all know agency life is tough. Time is the most valuable asset that we all have. Time is money. What would you be able to accomplish if you got your time back? Use that time. Go drive new business. Go close that next big deal. If you had more time, what would you do? To summarize everything, no account is too big. No account is too complex. A white label partnership allows you to say yes to any opportunity.